Today's connector is consequently, a formal way to show cause and effect. This word can be used in place of word so. For advanced English, let's see. Example without a connector. The factory closed in 2018. Unemployment increased in the town. These sentences feel disconnected. With connectors, the factory closed in 2018. Consequently, unemployment increased in the town. Try this one yourself. Many people eat fast food regularly. Health problems like obesity are becoming more common. Use the connector consequently and drop your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Day 4 connector drops tomorrow.